Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to redeem codes for your Disney Plus account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go to the official DisneyPlus.com website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, then you want to create a new account, and after doing that and logging into it, you'll be greeted by this main page right here that you can see, where you can see all of your TV shows and movies that you can watch. So guys, as you can see, I currently do not have the option anywhere to redeem a code. Even when I go to my options tab or account tab or so on so on, then you will have to do the following if you do have the same as me, if you do not have the option to redeem. You want to go ahead and open up a new window and you want to type in the following. You want to type in disneyplus.com/redeem, exactly as I have typed it right here. Type in it the same way as me and then click enter. Search this, and as you can see here guys, now this will bring you to your page where you can redeem a code. You can enter the code that you have gotten, and after doing that guys, then you will be able to click on redeem and the code will be redeemed to your account. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you redeem a code. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.